Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2008 Buick. We've got Regal doing some rear air shocks. So these are pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nothing much to it. This back paneling right here, you'll need to lower down to gain access to the two 15mm nuts right there. Take this little cover right here off, you can gain access to that. Now up top here is the shock mounting system, which comes out with the actual shock itself. So you'll switch it over, or if you have new ones, you can always put the new mounting kits and stuff like that on there. Come over here, jack your car up, take your tire off. The two bottom bolts are 10mm. They just come out from the bottom. There's nothing really special about those. Take your airline right here off. It's got a little C-clip. Just take it off from both sides and then wiggle it off, and that's it for that. And then this whole strut rear shock, air shock assembly will just walk itself right out. Do put a jack under here because you will need a floor jack to jack up the back of the suspension area in order to get it to mate flush up into the housing once you get the bottom bolted up. But overall, both sides, this was about a 20-25 minute job, so it's not that big of an issue. This had a lot of rusty items, so it took a little bit longer to get the bolts off than normal, but two 15s up top, two 10s down at the bottom, and to switch over the mounting system, the old nut was a 15 and the new one for the kit that came with the shocks was a 17, but I used an impact to zip them on and off. You might have a problem if you're using hand tools, so you'll need some sort of vice grip or something to hold the strut arm in place as you try and take that off. But power tool zipped it right off with no problem. But going back together, just slap everything back in, plug it up, turn the car on, let it run for about 5 minutes till the load leveling system works again, and that's it. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.